Okay, so you guys probably know these things. Yes, they are the 3 Goodman units at the house, right across from the house in Florida. This time it's just these 2 that are running. That one's off. It has a Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. There's a fan motor. Looking good, of course. 2-ton from 2018. And here's this one. It also has an Emerson control compressor. Here's the company that installed it. Air Comfort. Not working that well. Not really cold and sweaty. One and a half ton from 2017. Finally, we have this one. It's off. There's a good shot of the Emerson Copeland scroll compressor down in there. I'll get a good shot of the reversing valve. Boom. Got that. Just shut off. And now it just fired up. These are 14 seer. Oh yeah, this one's working the best. This one is the same as the other one, 1.5 ton from 2017. So yeah, just thought I'd get another video of these 3 Goodman units. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.